Joe to the Beast, and the subject today is how long will a hair system last looking good? Right, that's like how long's a piece of string really? If I'm going to go straight to it, I could make this system last 18 months, but I'd have to take it off every night. I'd have to have a forward style, I'd have to have on daily tapes, remove it, take it off, put it on my Frank Sinatra, I'm dreaming. Did you sing that? Anyway, so that's what you'd have to do, and it would last, right? So let's go to the reasons why it doesn't last, why the longevity is affected. It's at night, guys. Yeah, it's at night. 8 hours, if you're lucky enough to get 8 hours. I don't. Let's say normal is 8 hours sleep in a hair system, tossing and turning. That's going to affect the longevity, right? So wearing a hair system for 3-4 weeks makes it feel a part of you, and it doesn't feel like that swear word. Yeah. Ooh. I can't say it. Anyway, so hair systems bonded for that time. It does become a part of you. So that's part of the package of hair systems. Things you can do to make it last a little bit longer. Silk pillowcases, you can get those. Hair nets as well. And if you're a scratcher at night, which affects the longevity big time, especially on good systems, then it's going to affect the lifespan. Right, I always say 2 hair systems a year to everybody. Right, I'm going to bring up Mo, the guy, really nice guy that's doing our vlogs for us. I kid you not, he has made his first system last close to 2 years. It was 18 months, definitely, it was over that. And I used to go and see, because he lives in Cardiff, and he came to me, he came to me studying, he's from Syria, and he came over, he was sponsored to come over, bless him, by his family, and he had a budget, and he came to see me a couple of times, and I said, look, if you want it to last, I can teach you, but you've got to do these things. So Judy lives in Cardiff, South Wales, and Mo was studying. So I used to go over every week, and I was really quite firm with him, because I said, look, you've got to do tape attachment, and if you can have that style, you've got to learn to do the blow dryer, where you put a little wave in the front edge, which I'll probably do. Ben, remind me of that, marketing guy, how to do a wave in a hairline. Yeah, so I taught him tape up, and every week, and if he didn't listen, I wouldn't go. And at the end of the day, he did it, and he wore them for 7 days, removes it, use the lace release correctly, gets it off quickly, puts it on. I think he must be in bed like this every night. Goes to the toilet like that, and comes back like that, because it lasted well over 18 months, and his second one did as well. But the most, so people have got a bit confused like that, you know, go to bed, scratch their head, put a hat on, get it off, brush it like that, you know, go swimming, put it on the headboard for whatever reasons, don't know where that came from, say, here it is, why didn't this last me 18 months? Look, it's not going to, is it? So you've got to look after the hair system. So I always say 2 a year, so it covers me, where I feel comfortable. I expect it to go longer. Dark hair systems look better for longer, because there's basically, with the factory I've been with forever, minimal processing, and that's just on the single knots really. Like this system is got 4 or 5 blends in it. I can make it last a long time because I've been doing it for ages, right? But it's the worst hair colours to have on longevity of looking good. But you know, apart from my last one, 20 weeks, I think I've done myself out at 2 weeks actually. I think it's 22 weeks. So I still storm in front of everybody else that's out there on YouTube by looking good. But I expected it to last longer, so I'm going to see how long this one goes. And with this kind of style, it should go quite a long time. So 2 systems a year, I've lost my track a bit. 2 systems a year, but you can, you know, if you really go by the basics and look after it, you can get, 8-9 months out of a system. So that's pretty much it. Ladies, I'm going to do a ladies one with a lady next to me. In a Ben, remind me of that one. Right, so so that's it. So if you look after a system, you can get 8-9 months out of it. If you're like Mo and got dark hair and don't move at night, then you might get his length of time. Okay. All right. Speak to you next week. Take care, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. And have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.